Homesick? Or don't you have enough money to hire a space and start a business? Don't worry. The world has turned in your favor. You can sit in the comforts of a home and build a global business. It doesn't matter if you are an entrepreneur, professional, housewife, or a retired hand. The world has shrunk to the screen space of your computer. Just have a strong internet connection and laptop. Be armed with the technical know-how to run a business online. You can simply take off. But from where to get the technical know-how for the digital world? Lifeline precisely steps in to support you. A 3-month course with a 1.5-hour duration every night will simply blast you off the ground to the mesmerizing world of global digital business. This is the right time for it. We are ready with the Advanced Digital Transformation Prime ADT Prime course. Are you ready? Then learn these details. Advanced Digital Transformation Prime ADT Prime course. The technical aspect of the internet unfold before you in simple terms. Doing business online becomes simpler than doing offline. Much less costly too. 50% of the course deals with internet mastery. You learn by doing here. It's the first of its kind in India. 30 years ago, without the internet, this was just a dream. Almost all constraints of yesterday have vanished. Today's opportunities are so stunning. You just can't wait to tap the moment. We have made the course so comprehensive for you. American English, Internet Mastery, Motivation are served to you on a platter at ADT Prime. Have you heard of Speech Marathon? ADT Prime trains you to speak English fluently, taking you through the marathon. How can you use the 7 channels of social media to succeed? Simply learn it at ADT Prime. Global Mind Power Trainer, psychologist and business strategist, Dr. P.P. Vijayan has shaped the ADT Prime course for you after touring 64 countries and studying similar methods. Dr. Vijayan has also authored 38 bestsellers, of which 12 exclusively target business success. ADT Prime course highlights: American English classes led by 32 American native language experts. Stage fright? You searching for words while standing before the mic? Here is public speaking training in English as part of ADT Prime. Smart training classes for teachers and trainers in English. This course module will equip you to teach and train anyone sitting anywhere in the world. Is passing IELTS a major hurdle? ADT Prime will help you precisely do that and get a lucrative job abroad. Business English that a CEO must know. Yes, ADT Prime has such a module. We will empower you to secure a job abroad as you set out to study abroad. Of course, you can then settle down there. Catch hold of the international English that is a must for sales, marketing, advertising, digital media, and content writing professionals. Not just that, an offer at ADT Prime is the international English for journalists, doctors, advocates, chartered accountants, architects, engineers, and teachers. It can't get any better. ADT Prime has special revenue raising assignments for teachers and trainers. Are you looking for the right business partner? Then this is the right avenue. Not just that, you can spot other income sources too. ADT Prime gives you special training in the stress, rhythm, intonation, and fluency of international English. You learn how to make money from social media platforms. Want to be a key player in social media too? Learn how to be a social media influencer at ADT Prime. Not just that, you learn how to use social media for business growth too. Be a master of digital marketing techniques. Learn it effortlessly. Is your friend minting money through affiliate marketing? Want to learn it? This is the right platform. Yes, your friend is right. It's such an excellent avenue to mint money. Those who want to start a global business and make it a success have limited platforms for guidance. With such a grand global exposure, Dr. P.P. Vijayan is the right guru and this is the right time to learn. All subjects that can land you in stupendous success are taught in ADT Prime course. Plus, learn the new trends in entrepreneurship, know the freelancing opportunities, hit on the blueprint of success, master innovation and success strategies. Do you know what the law of attraction is? If you don't know, you are missing a critical link in the success theory. Sit with the guru and learn it. What is Kaizen, the Japanese management secret? Oh, it's such a gem. You can't miss it. Master it at ADT Prime. How to achieve personal excellence. Learn it in simple steps at ADT Prime. Then, learn online business ideas here. ADT Prime teaches you how to spread your business using Google My Business platform. How to reach more people by using personal branding? Master it at ADT Prime. The classes teach all these through multisensory accelerated learning techniques. They are weaved with case studies and exciting stories, making them so exciting yet simple. You can attend the virtual program sitting anywhere in the world. You can network with the attendees in the class. Yes, business opportunities too await you here. Talk to the attendees and find it out. They have rich experiences too. You get valuable lessons from them. The classes are held every day from 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. The course lasts just 3 months. Entrepreneurs, those who want to create wealth, startup enthusiasts, and all kinds of professionals aiming for success on the global platform shouldn't miss the program. Since seats are limited, register your name for the course at the earliest. Call us to attend the free webinar ahead of the course. To get updates and videos, join us on WhatsApp through the link provided. All the best.